What's up guys, welcome back with me Slate Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike GTK 2 Ashen Slate colorway. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see on the first sample here, you can see the white layer here slightly go down. Also the plastic here is following the curved plastic here, slightly go down also. It should be there is a little bit gap between the midsole and the plastic here. Another sample, still same, you can see the plastic here, the curve is not centered, the placement here is totally off, slightly go down. And also this one, you can see slightly go down, should be in the middle of this. Look at my pointer, this one like the authentic one here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the Nike shoes a lot more slanted on the fake one compared to the authentic. Another sample, you can see here the white layer behind the plastic here is a little bit bigger. Also the plastic here, the curved plastic, is slightly go down, it's not centered like the authentic here. Another sample, again you can see the curved plastic is slightly to the right, there is no gap here. On the authentic one, the placement is looking good, it's looking perfect in the middle. This one is slightly to the right, there is no gap here. And this one also, you can see the gap's too big on top of this. This one, the plastic here is slightly go down. Take a look on the back of the shoes, you can see here the heel, the Nike isn't centered. You can see slightly, this one slightly to the left, and this one also, you can see this one is slightly to the left, this one is slightly to the right. And the Nike word here, there is no gap between the plastic here and the Nike word, whereas on the authentic one there is a little bit gap. And this one also, this one is slightly to the right, it's not centered, this one is slightly to the left. Take a closer look, as you can see here, it's not centered like the authentic one, it's not placed right in the middle. And moving to the outsole, on the authentic one is clear, very clear, the cut is very clear, whereas on the fake one is looking terrible. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question or request, leave on the comment down below. Let me know. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you get a better day.